We have our guys getting into every unit every 6 months.
That's
So
huge.
back to your question about just overall expenses in a building like 3821 North Ashland. The other thing that we'll maybe spend a little more on is preventative maintenance, which we find takes care of so many of your problems in advance. We'll have our maintenance guys, and this has kind of eliminated our need for a property manager type of person. Because we'll have our maintenance guys get into every single unit and run through a preventative maintenance checklist where, like, if we have keyless entry, they're checking the batteries, they're checking each faucet, they're changing furnace filters, and they're inside each unit. So it's like, if there's an issue, it's not going to go unnoticed for 5 years or however long the tenant lives there for. We have our guys getting into every unit every 6 months. And there is a cost to that, but it's also like, you're like, any unit I can go into in any building will look nice because I've had one of my maintenance people in there in the past 6 months. So I find that that's a worthwhile expense, and they do the exteriors, the gutters, and just property cleaning, janitorial, so the building looks nice. I think it's worthwhile to spend a little more there. So that's something that we do.
It cuts down on your turnover costs as well too if you're doing some of
It
that.
does, yeah, because everyone's really happy in the building.